Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. So today we're going to cook pilau rice. A lot of people find this difficult to cook, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook. Pilau rice and rice is essential to all curries, so let's begin. So in hot ghee we're going to put in cumin seeds and black cumin seeds, which we call shahi Zeera, and also peppercorns and fennel seeds and cinnamon and bay leaves, and you've got your cardamom as well, what goes in. For a few minutes we're going to infuse all these ingredients into the ghee to give it a nice aroma. So give it a good stir for probably about a minute or so before we add in our onions. So let that infuse well. Pilau rice is a really nice accompaniment to all curries if you get it right. This rice recipe is perfect. You can't get it wrong, long as you follow my instructions and watch this video. I've got red onion here because I didn't have any white onion, but you can use white onion as well. And there's the salt goes in as well. You'll find all the ingredients description in the description page, so you know exactly what you need. I will put it at the beginning as well, where you can pause the video and basically get all your ingredients ready before you start cooking this dish. That was garlic and ginger paste just gone in there. So once the onions are a little bit brown, then put that in. Otherwise what will happen, you'll find that it will burn. So keep stirring. What we want is a light golden brown to the onions, so that will give the rice a nice colour as well. So just do that gently on medium to hot heat, not too hot but medium to hot. In the meantime, before you start cooking the rice, you need to wash the rice and leave it soaking for about 15 to 20 minutes before you need it, and like 10 minutes before you need your rice, you need to put it in a sieve so you drain all the water. So once you get to this stage with the onions, you put in your sultans, give that a little stir. We're nearly ready now to add the rice. So after adding the rice, what we want to do is coat all the rice with the ghee, and that will give the rice a nice kind of aroma and also separate when we add the water. So take your time, don't rush it. Put the flame down a little bit if you need, and also now is the time where you fill your kettle up and put the water to the boil, because we're going to put boiling hot water into this, not cold. We don't want to stop the process of cooking. Right, this is looking good. Now in this you add 4 cups of water. So measure out 4 cups and that should do it. If you find that on your first occasion, if the rice is too soft, then add a little bit of water less, and if the rice is a little bit too hard, add maybe another half a cup more, because all rice is different. So some rices take more water, some rices take less. Put the flame up now, and what we want to do is bring the rice and the water level to the same level. So just keep stirring it. There were the green chilies I put in there, that's for extra flavour. So just keep stirring it gently and bringing it to the same level. Once we get this, also preheat your oven to 175, which is very important. It goes into a hot oven, not cold, so make sure you preheat your oven about 15 minutes before. And that's it. Basically, this is my pilau rice, and as you can see it's just at the same level. What we're going to do is put the lid on it and put it in the oven for a good 25 to 30 minutes, and that's done. Our pilau rice is done, and once it goes in the oven, time it 25 to 30 minutes, and that's it. Enjoy. And this is my pilau rice. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm sure you will enjoy it. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.